Between us and the recent
between
ancestors.
us and the recent ancestors. So
Okay.
Denisovans, Neanderthal, Homo sapien, and then you take those pictures, you kind of superimpose them. What would it look like?
Yeah, so this is exactly what we do when we get the genetics to begin with to try to make sense of it. The best way to picture it is like a tree, right? So imagine a tree where all the branches are very hard and clustered very tightly around the crown. That is the entirety of the human species over here. And then there's a branch that comes off real low and ends up over here somewhere. That's the Neanderthal branch. And then it's like you discovered, oh my gosh, I didn't look closely enough. There's a branch that's even lower and goes out even a bit further. And that's the Denisovan branch.
Okay.
Right? And so if you were to overlay the A's, T's, C's, and G's of the genome on top of each other, you'd find they're very, very similar. All of those individuals, you have to really compare them at thousands and thousands of base pairs to sort of see that clustering, just because all mammals are pretty similar. All primates are real similar,
Right.
you know, and so all these human ancestors and relatives are real similar too.
Take me